Follow us to explore the newest hotel in the St. Augustine area. Tucked in the southern end of Vilano Beach, Hyatt Place is an Art Deco-inspired lodging that offers an extraordinary retreat. With its unbeatable location, just a 6-minute walk to Vilano Fishing Pier and Beaches Restaurant, a 2-minute walk to Vilano Beach, across from shops, and its proximity to downtown St. Augustine, Hyatt Place is the perfect retreat for your North Florida travels. Once you pull up the hotel, you'll be greeted by the friendly and fast Valet Staff. To the left of the front desk is a TV showing news and information, and you'll also get a glance of the hotel bar. Here's the dining and seating areas for guests leading to the on-site restaurant called Pesca Coastal Cuisine by Chef Michael Lugo, St. Augustine's star chef, serving Latin flavors and fresh Florida ingredients, making Pesca a must-try dining experience. Boasting a mid-century modern design and aesthetics, the restaurant's interior style is characterized by its clean lines with touches of organic shapes, and there's even a beautiful wine library. Pesca also offers outdoor dining under the palm trees, allowing you to dine in a fresh and tropical setting. Inside the hotel, we have more to explore. Past the lobby's Christmas tree, you'll find another modern and cozy seating area. Ambient lighting accents this long table that accommodates 12 guests. In the late hours of the evening, you'll find the 24-hour valet podium inside the lobby. Before reaching the elevators, you'll pass by the hotel's market stocked with snacks and drinks to satisfy your cravings. Down this hallway, you'll find the Grand Vilano Ballroom. This elegant space is perfect for weddings and various events, offering a touch of glamour to any occasion. Don't forget to admire the Art Deco style elevators as you make your way around the hotel. Pesca Restaurant also has a rooftop bar area, which I was excited to feature and one of the reasons we booked our stay. However, this area was closed for the duration of our stay, which was a bummer. In the meantime, here's a couple of photos I searched for online. Now let's check out the pool on the second floor. With ample lounge chairs and tables with umbrellas, it's the ideal spot for relaxation and soaking up the Florida sun. There are 2 outdoor showers conveniently located near the pool area restrooms. And here's the all-new gym fitted with state-of-the-art equipment and weights, perfect for maintaining your fitness routine during your stay. Let me know what you think about this hotel in Vilano, St. Augustine area, and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see our room tour or need other recommendations for places to stay in St. Augustine, check out my Discover St. Augustine playlist. Until next time, my name is Grace Joy. See you in the next one.